Hi, I'm Aaron Phipps, president of MPI. We're a capital equipment manufacturer located in Poughkeepsie, New York, and we make the machines that help make the parts that are used from the golf course to outer space. We're a small family-owned business with a global reach and impact through all sorts of industries, and we're looking for a couple more people to join our team. We're excited to be part of that progress and make a difference. As you can see, the machines we make vary quite a bit in size, from reasonably small to quite large. This one in particular will be supporting industrial gas power plants. At MPI, we've been serving our customers for over 50 years. And part of what makes us so successful is not just our commitment to our customers and quality, but our commitment to our team and continuous education and development. We take the first part of our day every single day to make improvements and empower our team to make improvements in their area and understand how to drive value to our customers. We also spend time in that every day educating our entire team on what that looks like, what our standards are, and how we do that collaboratively. It makes for a really cohesive group and a really smooth transaction through the entire company.
We have a great culture and are constantly building it, and it's a great place to work because of that.
There's so many knowledgeable people here, and people are always willing to help you, and there's just such a wealth of things to learn. I mean, the machines we make have so many assemblies, so many components, so many elements that go into making the machines work and getting them to the customer's specs, and there's just so much. You'll never stop learning here, and if you're someone who enjoys learning as much as I do, you're gonna have a really good time working here.
You can see by the cleanliness of our shop how much pride our whole team takes in what they do. And we always try to have a place for everything and everything in its place. That way we always know right what we're looking for, and we can get to work to changing the product, driving the most value to our customers with the least amount of effort, making our lives easier and giving our customer a higher quality product. So in addition to building the manual equipment, you can see these guys are getting ready to put a robot on for a fully automated cell that's going to be producing the next generation jet engines right here in the US. The people who tend to be the most successful at MPI are people who are looking for that small family business, but get excited by a company that has some of the attributes of a large company with a global impact and global reach. We are a big fish in a small pond, and that allows us to really push the limits of technology and bring people in who don't know what we do and really develop them. We have a holistic approach to it, and we always focus on attitude and aptitude first.